Hello fellow friends, Fuquay Flyer Channel. Today we have experimental pilot Jay flying his LT-40 glow plane here. One of his favorite planes. You know, I taught him how to fly when he was about 6 years old in glow planes, and he's always had a love for these planes. So here we go. This is one of his favorite planes, and even though we fly electric and stuff, he still loves to go back and fly the glow planes. One of his favorite ones. So, all right, go for it, JJ. For viewing purposes, we'll kind of cut it short. This plane can fly up to 20 minutes, I swear. But we don't have 20 minutes on the channel, so... Great visible plane in the air. That orange color makes it stand out really nice. This is a trainer. Great fun bird. We are at JCAC in Smithfield, our club, which we love so much. Alright, he's gonna do one class and then he'll come in for a landing. Again, this plane can fly for 20 minutes, but for video purposes, we're gonna cut it a little short. Clear to land. Beautiful.
And there she went.
All right, and there you have it. Experimental J, look over here. Yes. All right.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you next time.